Hey folks, it's Russ. Welcome to the channel. I thought I'd do a video and talk to you about how to build your network marketing business. There's a few steps that I take, and I thought that I'd just share those with everybody. Now, of course, these are just my opinion, and there's a all different ways that you can build your network marketing business. But I think that you know what I'm going to share with you is some of the core principles of building a network marketing business. Okay. So the first step that you always want to do is you want to know what your why is. Okay. And you just don't want to say, I just want more money. You want to be very specific with what your why is. Okay. Don't just say it's for my family. Be very specific. So for my why, I'm doing it because I want to build generational wealth and I want to be able to retire by the time I'm 50 years old. Okay. And when I say retire, I just mean have time freedom to be able to do what I want when I want for as long as I want with my family and not have to worry about cash flow. Okay. And I'm building the generational wealth part of it so that once I'm no longer here, Tina will be taken care of, our daughters will be taken care of, their families will be taken care of, and it just be wealth that you can pass down generation to generation, right? Generational wealth. So that is my why. That's why I'm doing this, and I'm super passionate about network marketing anyway and helping people make money online. I eat, sleep, and breathe this stuff, and I love it. Okay. So you just always want to know, you always want to make sure you know what your why is, because if you don't have that set, if you're not target specific with what that why is, then you're going to get off track. So always make sure you know what your why is. Okay. Now, the second step is to set goals. Okay. And don't just say, I want to make $10,000 next month. Be realistic with your goals, and you can make them very small. Okay. They don't have to be, get to the top rank in the company within the first year. There's nothing wrong with setting goals like that, but you'll be more successful if you set smaller goals. Okay. You don't want to set goals that are, you want to set big enough goals, but you want to set them that, they're obtainable in a reasonable amount of time. Okay. So set goals, make sure that they're realistic and that they're attainable within a short period of time. And then once you hit that goal, then set another goal. So, the company that I'm in, we have many different levels of ranks, and you start at the bronze level. And so if you're starting in our company, maybe it is, by next month, I want to be rank up to copper. By the following month, I want to rank up to silver, and so on. Okay. So if you set goals and you write them out, just don't think about them in your head, but write them out and post them somewhere that you can see them every day. All right. And when you see them every day, it's going to be planted into your brain over 30 days. And then you're going to be you have something to shoot for. You have something that you want to reach, a goal, a specific goal you want to reach. You can look at that and see that every single day and go, okay, I got to work on this. Let's focus on this, whatever it is. All right. I have on my calendar here, I want it to rank up to platinum, and our company got back up by the end of this month, and I ranked up to platinum. I just hit the platinum level. Okay. So I've looked at this every single day. I see this calendar, and I know that by the end of this month, November, I want it to rank up to platinum. Okay. And I just did. So it's very powerful when you write out your goals and then you put them somewhere so that you can see them every day. Okay. It's very, very powerful stuff. The third thing is to stay focused. All right. These are really in no order, but I mean, you want to stay focused all the time. So what I mean by that is you don't want to go jumping from one opportunity to the next, to the next, to the next. Find a company, whatever company you're in. I'm with Got Backup, and I'm not going anywhere. Okay. This company has just been awesome. I love everything about it. It's my network marketing home. It's Tina's network marketing home, and we're not going anywhere. Okay. We're in this for the long run. It's backed by a 25-year-old debt-free company, and everything about it is just superb. Okay. So you want to, whatever it is that you're doing, whatever company you're with, okay, there's a lot of good companies out there. Just stick to building that company, that business. Don't try to do too many things, because once you, take your mind, or you take your attention off of this company because you might work on this a little bit or this a little bit, that's when things that's when you don't get anything accomplished. Okay. Once you have a business built and it's running smoothly, sure, go add another income stream. There's nothing wrong with that. But if you're looking to get to the top of your network marketing business, the top ranks, or to become a leader in it, you want to focus on just the company that you're with. Okay. And that attracts people to you as well, because people aren't going to come and join people who are constantly joining this program, that program, and moving all around. They might build up a big team temporarily, but once they see, you move on to the next opportunity, they're probably going to follow you over to that opportunity. So, I for many, many years I suffered from the shiny object syndrome, and I would jump from one company to the next, to this opportunity, to that opportunity, because I always thought that I could make more money quicker in something that was new, something they were hyping up. And you don't need to do that. Okay. You don't need to do that. Find a company that you're really passionate about, that has a product that you love, and stick with it. Okay. And it will pay off 10 times down the road. It'll be priceless for you. Okay. Um, Number 4 is income producing activities. You want to do something every single day. You want to do income producing activities. Now, what I tell people on my team is you want to share your tour link with a minimum of 2 people every single day. All right. It's the power of 2. Every single day, make sure 2 people are checking out your tour link. It's not very hard to do. And after time, like over a month time, that's 60 people that you're sharing, you're exposing your tour page to. And after a year, that's 720 people that are exposed to it. And if you have a good conversion, like we do at our company, you're going to get signups and you're going to start building a team. Okay. So the 5th step is to teach others to do the same thing. All right. So once you start getting people into your network marketing business, you want to work with them. You want to let them know that you're there, available to help out. All right. You don't want to do the work for them, but you want to be able to answer questions, point them in the right direction, help them however you can, get them on the training calls, the webinars, whatever it is that you have in your company, and teach them to do the same thing. Teach them to share. Like what I do is I plug them into all of our groups if they're interested in Facebook groups. I make sure they know all about our webinars and our trainings. Then they have all my contact information, and they know that if they have a question or they need help, they can reach out to me and I'll get back to them. Okay. I take great pride in helping out my team, because without a team, you're not going to have a very good network marketing business. So, and then I teach them to go and share the tour page with a minimum of 2 people every day. All right. So once you're sharing your opportunity with 2 people every day, and then you have, 5 or 10 people sharing the opportunity with 2 people every day minimum, then you start building a huge team. That's how huge teams are built. All right. You're leveraging other people's efforts. So if you do these 5 things, okay, you can be very successful in network marketing, but you have to stay consistent. All right. You have to stay consistent with this. Stay focused and stay consistent. There's times here, believe me, it's very, very easy sometimes to want to throw in the towel. You might go a week without a sign up. You might go 2 weeks without a sign up. You might go a month without a sign up. It can really play tricks with your head, but you just have to remember your why and why you're doing it. And that's what I do. Whenever I get down with network marketing, which I do sometimes, I feel like I have to take a step back and take a day away from it. I just remember my why and why I'm doing it. All right. And that motivates me to get back up, get on the right track, clear my head, and just focus on building Got Backup. So that's what I do. I hope these tips help you. If they help you, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're looking for a network marketing company to work with, I highly recommend Got Backup. Like I said, it's a 25-year-old, the parent company is a 25-year-old debt-free company. The owner has earned over $300 million in his life. within in the last 25 years that he's been online marketing. And everything, 98% of the work is done for you and got backup. You get all the marketing tools you need, all the ad copy, banner ads, webinars, trainings, everything you need to be successful. It's just a matter of you showing up every day and putting in the work. All right. So right now we're running a special. I don't know how much longer this is going to go on for. I think it goes till the 30th. But if you click that link below, it's either going to take you to my tour page link, or it's going to take you to a link where you can sign up, where the reseller fee is waived, and you can join for $9.97 a month. All right. So you can start your own global business for $9.97 a month. But just to recap, you want to know what your why is. You want to set goals. You want to stay focused. You want to do daily income producing activities. And, you can do whatever you want. Some people market online. That's how I like to do it. I use Facebook and YouTube, but there's a lot of people that do offline marketing as well. And you could do a combination of both. You just got to find what works best for you, and then stay consistent and stay focused, and share and, teach others when they start coming into your team what you do. Keep it really simple. Keep it super simple, and teach them what you're doing. And then that's duplication. And eventually, over time, you're going to have a nice network marketing business that is bringing you in residual income month after month after month. Okay. So, of course, that's all dependent on your work ethic. I can't guarantee you're going to make any money, but if you do these things and you stay consistent and focused, good things will happen. All right. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you find any value in it, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already, it helps me out a lot, and I do greatly appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.